Hey, welcome to slmworkfromhome.com. So today's remote work opportunity is through the Arise platform where you can be your own boss. I want you to go to ariseworkfromhome.com and scroll all the way to the bottom where it says available opportunities. And once you do that, you'll look for customer support opportunity. And this opportunity is remote. It's customer service 7 days a week from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. Eastern, and the pay is up to $14 per hour. So this is a customer service representative position. This opportunity is perfect for anyone looking to work from home and seeking flexible hours, and that you're willing to work for a reputable business. Once again, like I said, this opportunity is through Arise. Arise connects small call center companies run by people like you, and it connects you to these Fortune 500 clients through their virtual platform. Here's what to expect. You'll be receiving inbound sales, customer service, and store support. You'll be assisting customers with product questions, placing new orders, handling existing orders, returns and replacements, providing store-specific support, and contacting vendors for shipping information. Now, all it takes to succeed is to be self-motivated. You won't have a supervisor peering over your shoulder. Possess outstanding problem-solving skills, patience, and empathy, and demonstrate the ability to work under pressure, handling potentially stressful situations. You also need to have excellent written, listening, and verbal communication skills. It's also important to deliver knowledge, friendly, and customer service while efficiently navigating multiple systems. So definitely some multitasking. Now, what type of education do you need? No degree necessary. This is a great work from home opportunity for anyone who's ready to invest in themselves and work hard. So what you'll be doing is providing, once again, great customer service for a leading home improvement company. And what you need to get started is, if you haven't already, register for the Arise platform. Once you get in there, you'll be able to select a client opportunity, and then you'll be able to enroll in a certification course to prepare to service. So this is what you'll do. You would hit sign up now and you would register. All you would do is create an account if you haven't already, enter your email, your username and password, and click get started, and you'll be able to get started on your journey for this remote opportunity of up to $14 an hour. Thank you guys so much for watching, and